Are you looking for a home in Naperville, Illinois? I might have the home for you. We're gonna do a property tour today of this home. It's a great location. It's been fully updated. I think you're gonna like it. I'm Pearson. I'm a local realtor in Naperville. I also serve downtown Chicago. I make weekly videos like this one, can info, real estate, and driving tours. Hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Let's go check out this house today. Come on. All right, let's come check out this home. This home is very open. I'm loving the layout of this home. Very open. Let's walk around into the kitchen. There's an island and a peninsula. Just take it all in. Updated light fixtures. Very open feeling though in this home. I'm really liking the layout a lot. And there's some really cool details that I really thought were neat about this home. Over here, little bench. And then this over here, a big little hidden butler's pantry back here for your beverage cart, wet bar, and it's just off the kitchen for your entertaining that might be right over here. So this could be like a game room, family room, with a fireplace, lots of great built-ins. And there is a half bathroom right back there. There's a lot happening here. Stainless steel appliances. Oh, and this is the dining room. And the hardwood floors are beautiful condition. These look brand new hardwood floors. Really open. Going upstairs. The hallway bathroom. Check out this tile. Great double sink. Love the double sink. Bathtub. The chrome black fixtures. Bathtub. Really good size for a hallway bathroom. Bedrooms, all good size. We'll come back to that room later. This room, I love. It's got a skylight. This is not the primary. It's got a skylight. How fun is that? Okay, in the back, this is another one of the rooms. This room has a lot of windows. Good sized bedrooms, all very unique rooms. Okay, the primary bedroom. I love some of the details in this room. First of all, good sized room with a ceiling fan, lots of windows. And then look at this built in. Do you see this? A little quartz counter. You could put, you know, your phone chargers there, maybe a coffee maker. Have some built-ins right there. I think that's a neat touch to have in a primary bedroom. Then we've got the bathroom, glass shower, updated vanity, all nicely done. So definitely lots of great details. They really did a good job updating this home. Back down to the kitchen. Let's check out the basement. This basement has the LVP flooring, luxury vinyl planking flooring. So I would call this a half finished basement. And this could be an office space. Ceiling has been painted. So yeah, lots of space you could work with down here. And then behind there is an unfinished basement. So a lot of storage, rec room, play area, a lot to work with. Outside, this is just off the kitchen. We've got a fenced in yard, which is great. If you have any pets, have a fenced in yard. Good size yard. All right. Enjoy the tour of this home. It's a great home in Naperville. I'm Pearson, local realtor. If you're interested in an in-person tour, feel free to reach out. Info is below. I've got another great video coming up that I think you're gonna like, so stick around.